Hello and welcome to today's Insta Live Health Hacks 109 to have a super healthy lifestyle. Whoever has joined now for my Insta Live, hello, welcome Sachin. Just say hello. I welcome you to this Health Hack series of 109 where I am going Insta Live on 109 days to cover various health tips on the different aspects of life to have a super healthy lifestyle. So today my topic is that if you know anybody who is suffering from thyroid problems, this episode is from them. So I always describe for new people, I am Dr. M.K. Shivani. I am a medical professional, serial entrepreneur, nutrigenomics consultant and wellness coach where I help people to have a 3P lifestyle, a lifestyle complete balance with optimized lifestyle in your busy schedule with peak health, peak energy, peak productivity towards peace, progress and prosperity. Here is my health hack series for having a super healthy lifestyle. So about thyroid patient, there are 4 pillars of wellness. First, you have to earn the health. E stands for exercise. Exercise is very common for anyone who is suffering from any lifestyle disorder, or even if you are not suffering, exercise is must in current time. Certainly in thyroid patients, physical activity is more important. To have a little more physical activity, if you are having a sedentary lifestyle, who are suffering from thyroid, they have to look for exercises. Thyroid, yeah, it has got connected. So you have to reduce your stress by doing yoga, meditation, or by using the music therapy, or just do the walking, but physical activity has to be there. A stands for attitude. Positive and optimistic attitude is very important for everything, but definitely for thyroid patients, the optimistic attitude and the positive attitude is important because this is stress related. So if you incur with a lot of stress and become frustrated and irritated, that will increase your problem more. So having a positive outlook and how you can change your lifestyle is more important. R is rest. Proper rest of 8 to 10 hours is very vital in thyroid patients, and N starts from nutrition. So before going deep into the nutrition, I would like to talk about few tips that which are very important for thyroid patient. Is you have to reduce your caffeine. If you are more caffeine addict, one coffee is okay, but not more than that. So you have to reduce coffee. For male patients who are taking alcohol, no to alcohol. And suddenly in a lifestyle you have to do the meditation part of it. You have to increase your proteins, but you have to see that you are not taking the soy protein. You can take the milk protein. Then ergonomics also, the sitting posture also plays a vital role in thyroid patient. It is seen that there is a muscle weakness and there is a lot of calcium deficiency is seen because of thyroid dysfunction. And if your posture is letting sitting style and your back posture is not proper, so you have to take little rest or back rest. The ergonomics, the sitting posture is very important for thyroid patient to avoid the muscle weakness and also the calcium deficiency. Now coming to the supplements, then which oil to use for thyroid patient, preferably you have to use the coconut oil. And coming to the nutrition part, as usual with everything, the healthy diet is the key. The food choices you make every day will give a long lasting results. In thyroid patient, you have to see that you have to use selenium. Iodine is very high. You have to use iodine rich food, that is in eggs and kelp, fish, and iodized salt you have to use. You have to use tyrosine, which is seen in banana and avocado. Selenium is also seen in various nuts. Properly always, when you are very particular about having a good and healthy diet, lot of protein, milk and milk products, and then lot of vegetable fiber is very common, but there are certain things that you have to take proper priority and proper important awareness for thyroid patient. Is you have to take zinc, vitamin B, D, E, C and omega 3, that is a good fat. and a lot of fibrous food. But I'm going to talk, these are the foods you should avoid during thyroid patients are soy foods, made from soy, so you can go for a little milk product, but you have to see that water also is a fluorinated water. And then raw vegetables are very important in thyroid patient. As I told you, no alcohol, aerated drinks and carbonated drinks has to be avoided. The sugary foods, specifically in female thyroid patient, they have got cravings for those donuts or like that sugary food, so we have to avoid sugary food. Mushrooms are not to be taken for thyroid patients. Refined sugar and all fast food and processed food. I always say MRP food nahi lena hai. P stands for processed food, R stands for refined food, and M is all this malt food. In thyroid patient, if you use gluten-free diet, it's very important to reduce your gluten, that is wheat, you can reduce to little bit. So these are the 4 pillars for thyroid is exercise, rest, positive attitude, and a proper nutrition with healthy snacks, and supplement with these additional supplements which are natural in source. Avoid taking artificial supplements. I highly recommend Nutrilite supplements for thyroid patients. Are you can go for a multivitamin, you go for a vitamin C, you go for a salmon omega, that is a good fat. If you supplement your diet with natural supplements and take care of healthy choices and exercise, positive attitude, your thyroid will definitely come. We have got lot of testimonials from the patients, and many of the patients of the thyroid, the major problem is putting of the weight. That is only because of the wrong food choices and sedentary lifestyle, no inactivity. So if you inculcate physical activity and this food which is a little gluten free and low carbohydrate, that is low gluten free diet, and high fiber and high milk source of protein, not the soy protein, then definitely your thyroid will come to the less level. Then you can see the medication part, it can be reduced. I have so many customer testimonials that they have reduced their thyroid medication only in 45 days. But 45 days, those your consistent and persistent habits, you have to install the habits which will decide your daily choices, will give you greater result. But you should have an accountability partner at home, that who will control all these habits. If you find this content valuable, because every day I take out one issue. We have covered major organs all these days. We also covered the morning, how to get up early and why to get up early, mindful eating. Then we are covering of various diet plans on various conditions. If you have any particular topic would like to know, please comment in the chat box so I can take those topics cover. Now tomorrow in episode I am going to talk about a different issue, that is PCOD, which is very common in females. So all these 3 days are for females. Yesterday we covered pregnancy care. Today we cover thyroid, which is seen mostly in females, but even male people, male also have got thyroid. But tomorrow is a PCOD, that is polycystic ovarian disease, which puts on weight right from the age of 17 to 40. So tomorrow we will cover up that episode. Whoever has joined this, thank you for supporting me, whoever has joined, and see you for tomorrow's Insta Live. I also come live on Facebook and YouTube at 9 p.m. at my ID MK Shivani, where I cover life hacks. So see you, stay tuned. Thank you for joining.